Welcome to part 7 of the pool opening for 2021. Right now, we're going to be putting chlorine tablets into the automatic chlorinator. So let me show you a little bit about it. We'll get right into it. So this one is a Hayward, don't be so rough with the beaver tonight, chlorine feeder. And it's model number CL200 or 220, and neither one is checked off, so apparently it's neither. That's good. It has a dial. It goes from off to full. You can set it wherever you want. I leave mine set to full and put tabs in every week. Never fails. So here's how we do it. First step is to turn off your pump. We're going to let everything just drain out and do its thing for a few seconds here. Because if you've never noticed, when you shut your pool pump off, water still flows for the better part of a minute or sometimes even more, depending on your equipment. At least mine does, and I've seen that with plenty of other pools as well. Anyway, that might be enough. Now, this particular one, the top unscrews just like a soda bottle cap, but it can sometimes get really stuck on here. They actually make a tool that fits in all these notches here and has a handle on it, so you can just give it a shove like that. But you know, I don't have that, so we're just going to turn it, and that's that. If you don't over tighten it, chances are very good you won't have to worry about that, and you shouldn't need the tool. For chlorine tablets, I buy them online because they're definitely cheaper than going to your pool store. They come individually wrapped. These are not elephant breath mints, just in case. These are chlorine tablets. When you drop this in your feeder, there's water in there. That instantly turns to bleach. So if that splashes back on you, you're not in for a good time. So stand back when you do this and just drop it in, and you know, make sure you're ready to jump back if you see those droplets coming after you, especially if you're wearing something you care about. If you don't, then I guess it doesn't matter really. You want to try to avoid touching it, but you know, if you're not afraid of it, then it's not afraid of you. For me and this pool, which is approximately 30,000 gallons, I put in 6 tabs a week, and that usually works. You can add a little more or do a little less. I like to look at the weather forecast and see if it's going to be exceptionally hot, or there's going to be like a holiday and I'm having a party. Might throw an extra one in. And if it's going to be kind of cooler that week and probably not going to have many people, if not anybody going in, you can drop that down by a tablet. Chlorine tabs are sold by the pound, so you never know exactly how many you're getting in the thing. And only the craziest of people actually go and weigh it to make sure they're getting what they're supposed to get, but I'll bet you do. You know, you're just looking for, 3 ounces, you shortchanged me, you know. So anyway, that's in. And we screw this on. Now it gets snug. A little more. And just, that should be good. Turn the pump back on. And you need to give this 5 or 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 10 minutes, up to you. Just to make sure all the water's flowing. You can go back to your pool and make sure that water is coming out of the jets. And from what I see down over here, looking at the pool, yes indeed. So that's it. We now have chlorine circulating, or chlorinated water going into the pool to help clear the algae and other greenets and other bad things in there. So that's a start in cleaning up the pool. So thanks for watching. In the next part, we're going to add shock to the pool. So we'll see you there.